Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your Emerson model and the active input so you adjust the right picture presets. You need the remote with menu or settings. If you don't have it, a universal works. Set it to the TV code. Once done, power cycle the TV for 30 seconds to clear display glitches. Next, press menu and navigate to picture or aspect. You're beginning the process. These steps ensure you're changing the correct options and prevent wasted adjustments later. Now change aspect to screen fit or just scan so the TV shows all pixel data. This prevents automatic cropping. If the picture still looks off, tweak zoom and the horizontal or vertical position to center the image. Small increments work best. Make sure overscan is disabled or choose picture size 1 to match source resolution. These detailed steps correct mismatches between the feed and the panel, and once you lock them in, the image will align with your connected device. Finish by saving your picture settings and testing with multiple inputs and content types to confirm consistency. If results vary, try resetting picture mode and reapply the screen fit or just scan option. This clears conflicting presets. If problems persist, update the TV firmware and swap the HDMI cable. Bad cables or outdated firmware often cause scaling issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if the image still crops, temporarily connect a laptop and set its output scale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.